Okay, the problem is this little area here is cut to where it's supposed to fit in to this, but it doesn't. As you'll see, it won't stay. See, there's a defect there in the way it's been cut or grooved out. I don't know if I just happened to have gotten the wrong part or what, but I would like for you guys to send me the correct mount, because as of right now, the hose does not hang up on the wall, and my mom is elderly and she has a very hard time as it is independently with a shower. So I need one that's going to have the correct grooves to fit into where it's supposed to fit. It is not the correct one. You'll see it keeps falling. I don't care how hard you pull it and push it, it doesn't stay. So as of right now, we're having to lay it sideways in the shower. It's not working, but it does have great power as far as the water. A lot of different speeds on it and pressures, but again, I need help with the part where it hangs up. Thank you.
To me, not the best shower head. I had one of these previously, and the water pressure used to be a lot stronger than this. This is just kind of like the water shower head that I just removed, and I kind of want to take it down, but I'm just tired of wasting money at this point, so it's not strong enough. Whether you remove the little screen in the inside or not, it's the same flow. It's just not strong enough. This one barely comes out. Let's take it down. See how it flows out? I don't like that. That's the last one, but I don't really care for it. Me compré la cosa de la ducha. Este es como que un filtro. O sea, son cosas aparte. Pues el shower head, se supone que aquí también tiene un filtro en este tubo. Y esto también es otro filtro. Que bueno, que lo compré como para tenerlo de una vez por si, no sé, no me gustaría esto o algo. Pero está fino. Me gusta. Entonces fíjate. Tiene todas estas vainas de agua. Ya, pero que te quitas todo cerrado. Tiene varias opciones. Y tiene esto de aquí, que es como para limpiar todo. Y tiene muchísimas opciones. Me gusta esta madre.
I bought this new shower head for my shower because the one that I had there, the water wasn't coming out very much anymore. So I thought it was dirty. I took it apart and cleaned it, but it still wasn't working. Something was wrong with it. So I bought this. My son put it up for me. I love that it has a very long cord so it can reach all the way across to my shower. It's very easy to put back in place. It's got 8 different functions that you can switch it to the way you want the water to come out. But I leave it at this. I like this flow of the water. It has a lot of pressure and I love it. It was a very good purchase. The material is very good, very well made, and it was very easy to put up.
This is a absolutely great shower head. I'll just show you this is what we keep it on. We've had it for a couple months now. I'm trying to change it with soaping. I mean, this is going pretty hard. This is what we keep it on. That one's not the most pleasant, but this one, great water pressure. Definitely the money that it's worth. Again, we've had it for a couple months. It's super slick and chic and highly recommend it for sure.
Alright, let's talk about this shower head. First, as you can see, I have had to put a tape in there so that it wouldn't spring out, if it would, and hit me in the head every time the pressure got high with water. And now you'll see here, it is leaking. It is not working. It is supposed to be able to pick it up, take it off, pick it up, pick it off, pick it up, take it off. Why is this broken? Why? Why is this broken? A piece of crap, don't buy it. They would say, out with the old, bought this from TikTok. It wasn't working properly. It's not even that long. And in with the new, I just bought this from Amazon. It's working properly. So far, I hooked it up with my hand. I followed the video and hooked it up, and it was great. Thank you.
Aesthetically pleasing and very easy to install. I would just say that the shower head sprays out a lot more. Very misty. I do enjoy it though. It has great power and it comes off really easily. Seems very sturdy. We've used it for about a couple weeks now and have had no leaking issues or anything.
We ordered this shower head for our guest bath and had no issues installing it. It has multiple different settings and the pressure is amazing. We've had no issues. We've had it for a couple of months now. And we still love it.
This is a shower head we are using. This is pretty easy to install, very flexible, and it's having multiple functions. So far so good. I recommend this product to everyone.